officer, Baxter County Police. Just let you know everything's being video and audio recorded at this point, all right? You can go.
No,
continue.
it's not okay.
Well, it has to be.
Cut it off now.
I can't. You can go with them.
You can.
I'm not allowed.
I'm like this.
Right on this side. Yep. So you hold your side. Has anything hurt there?
I went,
Okay. Ma'am, how are you? Just so you're aware, we all wear cameras, record audio and video, okay?
I don't give a
Okay. I need to see her driver's license.
Okay.
No.
Karen.
Okay.
Hold on.
Hey, sir.
No,
Sir,
hold
she's not free to leave.
I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
No, I am. No, Ray, I am.
Get your
I
bag.
am, Ray.
Get your bag here.
I'm you. And
Hold it. Hold it, honey. Hold it.
I didn't do this.
Huh?
And no.
Okay. I don't know what this is.
Watch out, there's some barf on it there.
Ray,
There's some throw up on it there.
remember?
I think it's...
You remember how to
Okay, ma'am, can you get your driver's license for us, please?
No, you cannot.
Okay,
You ready?
Karen. Okay. Let me ask you a
She's
question.
not free to leave. Okay?
I understand this.
I need to talk to
And
her.
Okay. So,
what
so
do
you're
you
saying...
need to know? What do you need
Hold
to
on,
know,
hold on.
sir?
Let me answer his questions. And
No,
then
I am
no,
the
no,
person that was
Karen.
driving.
Okay, you were the
I
person
know
that was
what
driving. I understand that, but I need your driver's license. Can you get me your driver's license, please?
No.
Okay, why?
No, because I can't find it.
What?
Listen,
Is it? I'll look for it.
Okay.
No,
Right,
right.
Ma'am,
Karen,
can you stop?
Karen.
Can you stop?
You
for
were
me,
in an
please?
accident, baby. There's no way to get around that.
Okay.
Ray, they drove me off the road there.
Who drove you? The people, somebody?
Yes.
Oh.
And
Okay.
that was not my
Where,
fault.
ma'am? Where are you coming from? Let's start with that.
Where's your point?
Where are you driving from?
Why are you interviewing me?
Because you were in an accident and you appear to be impaired.
Well, I'm not. No, I appear, but
Okay,
I'm not.
that's right. That's
Are
why
you
I'm.
ready,
That's why I'm
honey?
asking
You
questions.
ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, no,
I
ma'am,
wouldn't
you're not
touch
free
me.
to leave.
Honey,
You are not free to leave.
you can't go until we answer some
You
questions.
answer the question.
I'll answer the question.
You leave
Okay,
me
then
alone.
you stay
Okay.
right there then.
But you-
Okay, for me.
Don't
okay?
touch me.
All right,
Okay.
don't go anywhere then.
Don't touch me.
Karen, please.
Don't touch me.
I'm not touching you.
Listen, listen.
You good?
I'm good.
You have it?
I'm good, but you.
Your answer?
I will help you answer the questions. Okay.
Okay, where is she coming from?
Okay. She was visiting a friend. I guess was it David called, you know. I guess,
She's
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Karen.
Montgomery County
Huger.
Police.
I would rather.
Remember,
I
everything's
don't
being
like
video and
her.
audio
Okay.
recorded.
So
I'd rather
it's
her
okay.
not do a lot of talking at this point
Would you
anyhow,
like to do
because
that?
she's probably a little bit upset
Well, I'm
after
sure.
the
I'm sure.
thing, so she's.
Can I ask you where you're coming from
herself.
tonight?
She
Ma'am.
said she was coming from a friend's house.
Okay. Which way were you driving on Oakland?
Where you have
You
it?
had to
Were you
become,
coming from Bradley?
You have it?
I'll take a look.
Yes.
You're coming from Bradley?
Well, wait. Wait, you see it? Yes. Thank you.
You were driving on Bradley or from Bradley? Do you remember the accident?
It's going to be a one-down with fire rescue. It's going to be over.
Yes.
Okay. What happened?
University
Actually, nothing really. Ray, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's just that somebody ran you off the road.
They did.
Someone ran you off the road? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember that vehicle at all?
No.
No, you don't? Okay.
Wait.
You
I
don't-
wouldn't listen to that.
I understand. It's dark out here. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Let me ask you-
He's okay. He's
I'm
doing
looking
fine.
for your license.
No,
Ma'am.
Ray, we
Hold
don't
it.
need him to do anything.
Karen, hold it.
Karen.
I'm looking for your license, baby.
How much you had to drink tonight?
I'll give you my license if you
No,
want.
I
Instead.
was out, but I'm good.
How much have you had to drink today? That's my question.
See if your license is in here.
Saying he's going to catch fire.
Not yet.
Bowles probably already put one on. He's writing. Bowles is working on the acres report, so it's probably on there. If not, just have him at it.
You have to? Red line.
Make sure he doesn't have it already.
I think Bowles does.
Somebody have the license?
I think so.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, I think Bowles. One of my.
All right,
Ray,
I'll check.
Can you answer everything
Okay,
for me
okay.
first? Thank you, God.
No, Edward too. Karen, how much you had to
No,
drink
I'm
tonight?
gonna talk to my husband.
Okay. Can I
Talk
talk
to
with?
my husband.
Talk.
Yeah.
I can't talk to your husband. He's not really involved in
Okay.
this incident.
Yeah.
He can help me translate or get you
No,
to
he
cooperate.
is. He is.
Okay.
He is. You're okay.
How much you had to drink tonight? How much alcohol?
Ray, are you good?
I'm good. I'm just saying, you know, they're assuming that you had more than you should have.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming that you know had like a couple of beers or something
Yes,
like
that's
that.
all I had.
But
Okay.
you know,
You had a couple of beers.
So, that's it.
that's my
Okay.
assumption.
Okay.
I don't know
What-
for sure. I wasn't with her.
Okay,
But
I know, that's why I'm trying to
what
communicate with her.
Yeah.
What kind of beer did you drink?
Free, were we good, sweetheart?
Yeah. I don't see your license here.
I think one of my-
somebody got him.
Yeah, I
somebody
think my
got it
coworker has it.
because the bag
Alright.
was right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
We needed to write an accident report.
Okay.
it's okay.
So-
So, Ray, darling, what
Yes.
did you say?
I'm saying that you probably had a couple of beers
Yes,
and you're coming back.
Yeah.
And you said that you got run off the road.
I
And
did.
guess did you hit the tree here or something?
It looks like she hit the center median, came across the median,
I
and then
did.
yeah, hit this tree as well,
Okay, 'cause
or
it's
one of the
dark.
Yeah.
Hit the median. It hit the tree.
yeah.
Yeah.
Ray, can you pick my purse up,
It
guys?
doesn't take much. To,
No, it does not. Sweetheart, can you speak to me, please?
okay.
Hey, your car's on fire. Your car's on fire. Get away from your car.
My car?
Still smoking?
No, it's on fire. All right. So, do you remember what kind of beer you had?
No, it's not intoxication. It's beer. So,
Okay, but
where's
I
your
got an investigation I got to conduct.
She
I
has
understand that.
some
Go ahead,
questions.
Ray.
So,
Yeah. Okay.
what kind of beer did you drink? Was it the
Stella.
Stella. Okay. Where at?
I think I sent it on my phone to my husband. I always do.
Your location or where
Yeah.
you were?
Yeah.
I don't. I
Wait,
no.
my car's
No, don't. It's on fire. But don't go.
Karen,
Your car is on fire. You're not going over there.
Ray, can you go get it?
get what?
Let the
They're
firefighters
gonna
do.
put it out.
Let the
That
firefighters, and then we'll get you whatever you need. Okay.
Are you okay?
I'm guessing that's your cell phone ringing.
Is that the phone?
Probably. It's on the passenger floor, but don't go over there right now.
Okay.
All right.
What's your point?
My
Okay.
point is,
No,
I have
I-
an investigation to do as a police officer. Okay.
I respect
Karen,
that.
yeah, let them do this investigation.
Okay.
You had an accident, just thank God you're not hurt bad or anything like that.
Can I
And
conduct
we
some
got-
field sobriety on you, ma'am?
And we'll make the
No,
best
sir.
of it.
No.
You cannot.
All right.
Yeah.
Are we good?
I think we could be good. We had an accident. You probably did have a couple of beers. You didn't see the median.
No, I didn't drive
And-
the car either. And
Oh,
for them
I-
to hop out was
all right.
incredible. The security you hired for me, but talk to
So
my husband.
was he
No.
was he here?
I will talk to my husband.
You can talk to him, but you're not going anywhere.
I know what you will not do is tell me what I can't do.
All right, Jeff, want to play shot?
Karen, don't please don't
Are you doing that?
Yep.
please,
Why?
because you wouldn't listen. I mean,
Well, because you're intoxicated.
and they'll
Come inside,
I let you quit?
Karen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we can get you home. My computer's gonna read you this form, all right, from top to
I
bottom.
want my husband here.
Well, that's
Or
not.
my attorney.
Advice of Rights, Maryland Transportation, Article 16-205.1.
Okay. Just
You have
follow.
been
Listen
stopped
along.
or detained, and reasonable grounds exist to believe that you have been driving or
It's my Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.
This is the advice of rights pertaining to driving.
No, what I am is intelligent and poverty black. So, you want to tell me what you're doing?
I placed you under arrest for driving under the influence of alcohol tonight. Okay.
No,
This
you
form
did
here-
not.
I did. That's why you're in
You
handcuffs.
attempted to, but
Okay.
next.
That's why you're in handcuffs. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Well, I will be in handcuffs forever. I'm extremely
You
rich.
won't be in handcuffs forever. Just a little bit longer.
I
computers-
actually will not agree to anything
I
you
don't.
say.
I just need you to follow along right now, okay? I'll do my paperwork. You can follow along. My computer's going to read you this form from top to bottom. All right. After it's done, we'll discuss anything else, okay? All I
No.
need you to do is follow along.
Why don't we just skip to the end?
I can't skip it, unfortunately, okay?
Advice of Rights, Maryland Transportation.
Can you stop with all that? You can, but I can't hear it, and I say that.
talking, you could hear it.
Can you hear me? No, I wouldn't speak to me that way, sir. Thank you very much. But I say to this recording, I cannot hear it, sir. So thank you.
I can
And
turn it up and start it over.
do you want to tell me what it's saying?
It's saying everything that's on this form.
Oh, that's
Listening
called
to
reading,
those.
and I have an attorney. So I need a moment for an attorney.
As certified by the police
I have
officer.
no idea what she's saying.
I understand that
But I
this
think that's
requested test is in addition to any preliminary tests that were taken.
So send it to the
Having been so
attorney. Oh my
advised,
God.
do you now agree to submit to a test?
Officer check driver's reply.
That's a great place.
Yes. Agree to submit to an alcohol concentration test? Yes.
Right.
Agree to submit to a test?
Do you want to sign this form saying you refuse to submit to an alcohol concentration test?
Tell me what that means.
That you're not going to provide a sample of your breath.
And then how long do I have to stay?
Stay. We're probably talking about another 25, 30 minutes.
I don't.
Sign that.
Here?
Yep, right here. Right there. That's fine.